Tell us real quick, what is self-storage investing?
A service that runs parallel with life. Self-storage during good times is a service that people need to transition potentially between households, between life experiences, growing in terms of lifestyle, expanding lifestyle. During bad times, there are four main things that happen in bad times: downsizing, divorce, dislocation, and death. They're unfortunate parts of life, but be it as it may, self-storage has a place that serves a need there. It is a solution to a lot of decluttering, to sell your home, storing inventory for a business, you name it, all the things that come along with it. It's a service that is there. Works really well with multifamily, with renters, where they're not necessarily having all the space they need in an apartment.